Hey lovely people, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's time for a Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. Did some Ibotta shopping last night. I gotta share it with my coupon crew. First deal that we did, guys, was on the microban. This is actually the reason why I went to Walmart, because I seen this on my Ibotta. I was like, I got to do it. These were priced $5.94 each for a total of $11.88 in store. I did not have any coupons, so that's what I had to pay. But Ibotta is giving me back a buy one, get one free rebate. So I got back $5.94 from Ibotta, making the final cost $5.94 for the two. That is an amazing, amazing deal, guys. Next deal I decided to get was on the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, okay? This was priced at $1.97. I didn't have any coupons. I didn't look for any coupons. I didn't go print any coupons. But if you know where some Lysol coupons are, use them, okay? 50 cents was my rebate from Ibotta. Final cost $1.47 for the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. I got some of these in my stockpile. If you haven't seen my stockpile update video, I will link it above so you guys can go check it out, okay? Next thing I did was the Kraft mac and cheese, all right? This was priced $1. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1 in store. There's 35 cents coming back from my bottom, making the final cost 65 cents for the Kraft mac and cheese. Okay, I'm gonna buy this every time I get it. It's a cheap rebate. It's a great donation item, and you can always doctor up some mac and cheese. All right, the next rebate I decided to get this particular rice because I always buy this Caribbean rice. It has pineapple in it. If you have not tried it, I encourage you to do so because we like it. Now, it's $1.22 in my Walmart. No coupon, but there is a 10 cents any rice rebate that attached to this, making the final cost $1.12. I'm going to buy this anyway, so why not use my any rice rebate? I didn't want to use it on something that, you know, I'm not going to eat. And the next thing I got, and we're going to talk stone cold junk about my husband, because I told him last night the rebates that were laying on the table were, you know, the food was Ibotta rebates. But he texted upon himself to eat some of the candy, okay? I'm going to shame you, Richard, because I know you ain't watched my video. You better watch my video. You ate the candy. Now, the Snickers was priced $1.96. No coupons, so I had to pay $1.96 in store. $1 coming back from my bottom, making the final cost 96 cents. I could not find the fun size. They didn't have it in my Walmart, okay? So if you were able to get the fun size that's like 98 cents, then this would have been free, all right? And a, 2-cent money maker. But I didn't have it in my store, so it is what it is. But it's okay. He ate the candy. When I say the fun size, it's a fun size that's smaller than this. It's like half the size, okay? Next thing I got was the extra gum. Now, the extra gum was priced $1.18. No coupon did I have, so I had to pay $1.18 in store. But there was 25 cents coming back from my bottom, making the final cost 93 cents. And you know what? This gonna go in somebody's Valentine bag. That's right. I'm gonna keep on getting it.
The next deal I was really excited about was the free Red Baron pizza. I forgot to show you this, guys, but I did get it. I got the Supreme. It was priced $3.98 in my Walmart. Now, there is a rebate for making it free, $4.49. Got back from Ibotta, making it free, and a 51 cents moneymaker. Now, this big game snacks is also part of this deal. If you sign up with my Ibotta referral code, it will activate the offers for me. Thank you very much.
The next thing I was super excited about was actually a Shopkick deal. And I need to get some Shopkick points because I'm trying to build up my coupon repertoire. All right. Now, this is Find Your Happy Place hand sanitizer. That's what this is. This was priced $2.97. All these products were over there by the hand soaps and things in my neighborhood Walmart. Now, the great thing about this is there was $1.50 Peelies that was on some other Find Your Happy Place products. So, you know, I had to grab me a coupon, taking $1.50 off in store, making the cost in store out of pocket $1.47. But if you scan in store for Shopkick on the app, if you're not already a member of Shopkick, use my referral code in the description box below. All right. You're going to get 25 scan kits And you're going to get 300 uploading your receipt kicks, which is going to give you back the equivalent of $1.30, making the final cost for the sanitizer only 17 cents. A great deal. The next deal I got was because I watched Sisters Saving You Cents, guys. So let's shout out the sisters for this deal. It was actually, I think Cindy was doing the video. So this is the Colgate Kids toothpaste. Now, this is a coupons.com deal. So basically, these were 94 cents in store. You're going to scan them with the coupons.com app. Make sure you get the right ones that's going to attach to the deal, and you're going to activate it, okay? Then after you purchase, you're going to upload your receipt, and I'm expecting coupons.com to give me back $3. However, I only paid $1.88, making this be $1.12 moneymaker. Free kitty toothpaste. And you know, I got plenty of grandbabies to get this to, honey. I got a new grandbaby that was born the other day. Matter of fact, now I got 10. That's crazy. All right. So, yes, guys, I think this was a great deal. I did get a midweek moneymaker for purchasing 15 items, $3. I've done 7, so I have got to get my other 8 items to get my $3. If I do, it's because this stuff reset. If I don't, it don't even matter, okay? I ain't chasing $3. All right. But if I see some more stuff that resets that's a good deal, perhaps I'll do it, and I'll be making sure that I share the video with my lovely people. All right, Coupon Crew, thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Thanks for that thumbs up. All right, and if you're not already a member of the Coupon Crew, would you hit us at the bottom? Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you will not miss a video. And don't forget to catch my Aldi video, my Aldi price comparison video. You know I love to do price comparisons like I do that at Sam's Club versus Walmart. Now we did Aldi versus Walmart. Check it out because it's going to upload after this one. Bye, Coupon Crew. See you later. Bye-bye.